Yeah.
Hey, tubers! Make sure you subscribe. So we are here at Chat Time. Yeah, and she's getting a mango slush jelly, coconut jelly.
Do you have a channel?
Yeah,
Do you
I
want to follow?
Sure.
do. Okay,
Sure.
it's Tay. You have a pen and paper?
It's Taste World.
It's wait. Well, okay, it's Tay's World. They're gonna be like Toys World. Watch.
T-A-Y?
TaysWorld.
Taste World.
Tay's World. Ow. Ow. Her name's Rachel, but I call her Ray Ray. I always make up my own nicknames for people. Hey Ray, what's up? What's going on? So basically,
Oh, are we recording right now? Oh, whoops. Okay, well, I'll be right back. I have to get something.
Okay, sure. So she wasn't ready. No, she wasn't ready. I got this shirt. It's called Be Kind because I think everybody should be kind to one another. Because you know what? I just think when you be kind to people, you feel better about yourself instead of being, you know, rude or disrespectful. I think you should just be kind. So I'm promoting to be kind.
I hate being on camera so much.
Why?
I don't like it.
Whatever. I feel like you can have your own channel, whatever. Hey, this is Rachel. I swear, guys, I don't know if we're gonna be able to complete this video because there's always like stop, pause, play. Stop, pause,
right?
play. Hmm?
That will help, right?
Okay, yeah. Let's just start. Who cares? I'm over it now. Let's go. So we got some.
Okay.
So tubers, we got some Chinese snacks here. Show the rest so we can show you what we got.
This one.
This is Lay's wasabi. Or no, sorry, seafood.
Oh, wait, you got this one?
I got the
Guys.
coconut. Yeah, also coconut pocky and almond pocky.
Almond. Okay, and for our
And that.
drinks, okay, we have these two.
Yes. Okay, so those are the drinks that we got. Lime and mango is what we got.
Okay, what should we start with? Oh, cheers.
So, okay. Cheers, more life. Happy New Year.
Cheers. Happy New Year.
Alright. We're gonna try these chips.
Wait, which ones are those first?
Seaweed.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh wow, okay. Yay.
First whiff.
Does it smell good? It doesn't smell that bad.
I don't like it. Do you need to wash it down with our drink?
It's not bad. No, but you like seaweed and you like sushi, so what the heck?
I don't eat chips.
Oh. They're not bad.
Okay, not bad.
Right?
I like it.
I like them.
Pretty decent.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. This is good. I like this.
But I need to wash it down with my drink.
Show it. What does it say on it? Zeng Yong Tang Tao. Here. Here's mine. Oh shit, I have no straw.
Shit. What does that one say?
Jing jing. I'm joking. Anyways, nobody please take offense. If you are Asian, it's cool. Your snacks are awesome. So wait, anyways, I've lost my straw. Every time I want something like a fork,
wait, we have to
time.
share a straw then. You ready?
I'm never like...
I'm trying my drink. Nah. I don't think I like it.
Is that good?
You like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? No? Okay, try yours.
Yeah. Let's try this
Look,
one.
I'm holding my wine. Look, I'm holding my wine. Okay.
Hang on. Wait. Okay, hang on. It's different. It's not like the mango that I know. You got some of these things. Kind of weird. It has like an office taste. The chips, the seaweed chips, I love. Those are good.
Oh, I think it's, is that expired?
June
21st. Oh, no, 2019.
19, yeah.
Okay,
We're opening.
okay. Okay, guys, so now we got these different kind of chips. I think I like these ones, though. Oh, yeah, I like these ones. This is what they look
Oh, not these before. They look like caramel popcorn. These are gum.
like. These ones are good. At
Oh my
least.
goodness. These are really good.
Cheers.
Wow. No complaints. No complaints.
Okay. Now let's make our subscribers. Let's make our subscribers pick what flavor we should do first. So guys, there's a vote.
I can't. You all can make me swallow the food properly. Okay, but okay, ready? Hang on.
Hey guys, comment below if you pick left hand or right hand.
Say stop. Say stop.
Okay, ready guys? Stop.
That's mine though. Here.
Okay.
That's what I picked. So I picked these Pocky Sticks. They're coconut flavor. I think that's really cool.
Oh, like this. Almond flavor.
Let's open them. Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Look at mine. They look so cool. Look at the packaging.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay. I'm so excited to eat this. Okay, hurry up. Let's freaking open. Alright, there we go.
Okay, ready?
This is good. This is really good though?
This is really good.
Okay, okay. I love this. I like coconut though.
Switch.
Yeah. They're both good. Yeah.
Good.
It's good. I'm drooling. I'm drooling.
So guys, we've been driving around on the road for 11 hours today, and we're really hungry. Okay?
Sorry. You were laughing.
And tell the story.
Oh, the fog?
Yeah.
Rachel liked the coconut better. But, okay, so we are on our way back from Toronto, going back up north. And what I mean, it was dark, no lights. First of all, it was just pure foggy. But I'm like, okay, Rachel, screw this. I'm going to take, like, the side roads. Like, you know, I'm like,
The
yes.
back roads.
The back roads, yeah. 5 minutes down the back road, Rachel's like this. No. No. This looks like we're going into, like, a scary movie, like, Nightmare Zone. Like, no.
You couldn't see anything.
You couldn't see anything. It makes no sense. So, we went back on the highway. It was a little bit better. But it was so foggy outside. Couldn't see.
Yeah.
She
Michelle was really scared. She's like this, right? She's like, Rachel, is the car moving back and forth? I'm like, no, it's not. It's just you.
Rachel, I'm literally like that by myself. Like, I have to be like this. I'll call my boyfriend and be like, yo, I need to pull over. I'm on the side of the road. I freak out. I'm not even joking. It's so bad.
Yeah, it was really scary. I almost had
No,
a
but the
panic
weather
attack.
was bad though, Rachel. You couldn't see anything. Like, so bad.
Tayshawn wanted to go down this road where you can't see in front of you. There's no street lights. There's nothing. And second of all, her car lights are broken. Okay,
No, they're not broken. They're just dim.
so you can see this far ahead of you. That's why I was terrified.
They're just dim. My car
And then
lights are
she's
just
like
dim.
this. The car is shaking. But guys, we made it home.
Yeah, that's all that matters, right, Ray?
Yeah.
We made it home safe, even though I was freaking out because of the weather and whatnot, and my lights weren't as bright as they're supposed to be. But at the end of the day, we still got home safe.
Okay, guys.
I love this, Rachel.
Okay, alright. I told you they're good.
Mm-hmm. The mango juice, though?
Mm.
Not feeling it. Jollibee's pineapple juice tastes better than that. You had Jollibee's for the... Rachel had Jollibee's for the first time today. 1 out of 10?
Like 5 out of 10.
Can we please try that a little bit? We could just try a little tester. Just grab it, Rachel, please.
In the same video?
No, who cares?
Okay, Keisha, I'm gonna. What if I spit it out? Do we have a bag? I'll go get a bag.
So, Rachel got these from Winners. And she's like, look what I got, these Bean Boozled jelly bean things. And I was
Little challenge.
So we're gonna try some of these. This is
Okay,
really
if it
hilarious.
tastes bad, just put it in here and then wash it down.
Read off some of the flavors that they are. Or I guess should we read them as
Okay,
we
read
go?
them. Read them. Read some of the flavors.
So some of the flavors is rotten egg, butter pecan, or butter popcorn. Butter popcorn, toothpaste and berry blue, vomit, peach, canned dog food, and chocolate pudding.
Yeah, what's that one? Baby wipes.
Baby wipes and coconut, juicy pear and booger. Ew. Okay, here.
Okay,
Go ahead,
so
take it away.
this is the rules. Okay, how do you open it? Oh my god, that smells really bad.
Seriously?
Okay, guys, so this is
It
the
actually
rules.
smells
We
gross.
each pick a color. So, okay, so I have 2 green ones. So 2 green ones can either be green grass or, no, I mean, sorry, lawn clippings flavor or lime flavor.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, wait, what is it? Green clippings or lawn what? What is it? What is it? Can you say it again?
No, lawn clippings or green apple, I think.
Green apple? Okay, here. 1, 2, 3.
Wait. Okay, mine's lime. What flavor is yours?
Lawn clippings.
Is it really?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Like lawn.
Is it? But you're still chewing it.
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not like terrifying.
Oh, okay. Where's
Like
the
I'd
bag?
probably eat lawn clippings myself.
Okay.
Just whatever.
Okay, so. Okay, I'm still chewing it.
Where'd you get? Apple, right?
I'm.
Lime?
Okay, so next we're gonna do the color white, which. So. Wait. Okay. So white can either be baby wipe flavor
No.
or it can be coconut flavor.
No.
Ready?
A baby white or coconut?
Yeah.